Hello friends, in today's video, I will tell you how to download YouTube video in single click. First of all, we have to open our Chrome browser and search in it download YouTube video. Many websites will come in front of you, but which one of these two websites also use myCoutube.com? You will like me open the website for you and paste the link of the YT video in it, the video you want to download. I want to download this video. I have the link of the video. I will paste and press enter and you will get 3 options here. If you want to download this video without voice, choose 3 options. If you want to download this video with voice, I will do it first and download it and see this video of yours is downloading and I will also show you. See, this video is in our folder. Thank you for watching the video till now and subscribe our channel, like, share, do subscribe AI with me to see similar content.